Guys, take a look at this image over here. I'm going to show you how you can use this and this image over here to make money with CPA affiliate marketing and earn as much as $200 every single day. Now you can do this by using 100% free marketing strategies. Now the best part about this method is that you don't need to sell anything to anyone, you don't need a website, and you don't even need a following. And I'm going to walk you through this entire CPA affiliate marketing strategy step by step, so make sure to watch because it's very, very easy. Now before we get started, I have one more favor for you guys, and that is to smash that like button below because I want this video to reach 200 likes. So make sure to do that right now, and also subscribe if you're new. So let's not waste any more time and let's hop into my computer. Alright, so the first step is to head over to cpagrip.com. So this is a CPA marketing network with thousands of different types of offers in all of the niches that you can think of. So we will be using this website to monetize our traffic. So make sure to create a free account. It's 100% for free. Everything in this video is for free. You don't have to spend any money on anything. So make sure to create a free account, and I'm going to log in for you guys and show you what to do next. So once you have a free account up and running, now what you want to do is head over to monetization tools and click on URL and file locker. So we're going to be content locking our URL, and whenever somebody submits their email address or submits their credit card details or submits their postal code, we're going to make a small commission of $2 to $5, sometimes less and sometimes even more, based on the offer that they submit. Right, so we have to give away something valuable in order to entice our traffic to complete one of the offers. So now what you want to do is head over to Google and search for solve puzzle. Right, so we're going to be using puzzles or math equations, right? Something like this that's very, very difficult to solve, right? So 1 plus 4 equals 5, 2 plus 5 equals 12. What is 8 plus 11? And we're going to be giving away these images, right? And we're going to be giving away the answers to these math equations, because a lot of people are going to try to solve these, but they're also going to want to know the answer, right? So we're going to be content locking the answer. So what you want to do now is head over to this article that reveals the answer to this puzzle, right? So now we can use this entire article and give it away to show the actual answer. So now we need to create a quick landing page so we can give away this puzzle for free online and share it. All right, so head over to Google Sites. All right, click on this and create a blank Google site. So now you want to give your page a title. You can do something like, can you solve this puzzle? Question mark. We can make this bold or italic if you want. Now you can enter another box, right? And here you can type something like, here is your challenge. Let's see if you're smart. We can make this bigger. Let's just say 24. Once again, bold. Now head back over to the article and make sure to save this image. So save. Go back to your Google Sites and you want to add your images right there, just like this. Now you want to make it bigger so it fits the entire page. Now add another text box below the image, and you can type something like, click here to see if you're right. All right, we can make this bigger. Right, just like this, make it bold. Once again, we can put it to the middle, just like this. Let's see if you're right. And now we want to content lock this URL, right? So whenever somebody comes to this page, can you solve this puzzle? And by the way, I'm going to show you how to promote this online for free and get thousands of visitors every single day. So can you solve this puzzle? Here is your challenge. Let's see if you're smart, right? So they're going to be doing the calculations and they want to know if they got the answer right. So they're going to click on this link and we're going to content lock this URL. And this is going to be the final redirection, right? So this is where they're going to get to when they submit their email address on one of the offers. So now you can copy this URL, right? And we're going to use it in just a second. Go back to CPAGRIP and create new content locker. Click on I agree and click on continue. So now this is our content locking URL or file locking or however you want to call it. Click on templates and now you can choose one of these templates. I'm going to click with the human verification template. As you can see, this looks very nice. So now what you want to do is edit this text over here and type something like complete a survey below to prove that you are a human and to get the answer to the puzzle. And now for the anchor text, which is down here waiting for completion, you can do something like, by doing this you could win up to $500. It's really easy, right? So this gives them the extra push to actually submit one of the offers. So this is going to make the conversions a bit slightly higher, right? So now you want to head over to locked URL down here, and this is the URL that we're going to be locking. So this is the domain of this website, so make sure to add it inside there. And now you want to click on show offers, right? So we're going to be promoting this to the United States. This is what I prefer. Okay, just like that. And now you can see that these are all of the offers that we can choose that are going to pop up once somebody comes to the content locker. So we're going to choose up to 5, right? So we can do this one up here. All right, we can do, this has a 12 cents, this is 95 cents. We can do this one. Right, this is $2. We can do this one. This is $1.30. We can do this one. And let's do this one as well. So now click on save. Right, click on edit one more time. And now click on show offers number 5, right? So 5 offers whenever somebody comes to this page and clicks on show offers. Now obviously this is in Slovak because I am from Slovakia, but when you submit the United States, it's going to show US offers for the visitors that come to this page that are from the United States, if you get me, guys. So once you have all of this filled out, make sure to click on save, and this is your link, right? So click on get links and copy link. So when you paste it in a new tab, you can see, guys, that the domain is playabledownloads.com. Now one more time, whenever somebody comes to this page, submits their email address, you get a commission and they get the answer to the puzzle. It's that simple. Now to promote this link and earn up to $200 in commissions every single day, I'm going to show you an easy way to promote this link. So click on get links, copy link, and now head over to a new tab and search for Facebook groups. Right, so now when you are on Facebook, you want to search something like puzzles and questions. And as you can see, this is a public group with over 170,000 members. And when you go inside this group, you can post your awesome puzzle just like this guy did over here. And as you can see, 53 comments. So imagine, guys, how many people have seen this post, answer this question. You know, you're gonna get likes, shares, comments, and a bunch of people are gonna click on your content locker to reveal the actual answer. So all you have to do is click on write something and do something like this. Can you solve this puzzle, right? Now what you need to do now is go back to CPAGRIP, copy the link, head back to Google Sites, right? And we need to insert the link inside here. So click on this little chain, insert the link and click on apply. And now we're going to share this awesome looking landing page on Facebook. So you want to click on publish. Web address is puzzle by Damien. Click on publish. So now click on this little chain, and this is our URL of this landing page, right? So puzzles by Damien /home. So when you open it in a new tab, you can see, guys, that this is the landing page, and whenever somebody clicks on this link, this is the CPAGRIP content locker. So now head back over to Facebook, right? And as I mentioned, click on write something. Can you solve this puzzle? And add your link inside there, just like that. And people are gonna see this post. People are gonna open the landing page. People are gonna comment, share, and also obviously enter their email address on the file URL locker, and you're gonna make commissions. So this method is very, very easy, as you can see, and you can do this by posting a simple Facebook post just like this in multiple Facebook groups. All right, so as you can see, puzzles, you can do puzzles in groups just like this, and there's not just one group, there's multiple groups. As you can see, riddles and puzzles, puzzle questions, riddles and answers. So you can post your website and ask people if they can solve the puzzle in all of these different Facebook groups. So this method is really easy, guys. This is an easy way to make an extra $200 every single day. You just need to post and share your website in these groups. Obviously, this takes time. You obviously need to do this in multiple different niches and not in just the puzzles niche, because the more posts you post on Facebook, the more commissions you're gonna get. So I hope you enjoyed this strategy, guys. If you did, make sure to like once again and subscribe if you're new. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this valuable, and I'll see you in the next video.